learners, welcome to Try Right. Today we will be learning about Java. So basically, what is Java? Java is a high-level, object-oriented, class-based programming language which is widely used for developing various types of applications including desktop, web, mobile, and enterprise app systems. So, why do we use it? So the main features and the key characteristics are here. We can read them. Key characteristics. General purposes. Can be used to build a wide range of applications. Can be used to build a wide range of applications. Because of its high usage and variety, so we can comply them to different tasks. Object oriented. Based on concepts of objects that encapsulate data and behavior. So what is objects? Objects. They are basically the type in Java which have their own state and behaviors. And platform independent. Java is platform independent. Once we write the code, we can run it anywhere on different platform because of the JVM, which provides this functionality and makes it platform independent. Now compiled and interpreted. Java code is compiled into bytecode by the compiler, and which when interpreted by the JVM can run on different platforms. And now coming to the history of Java, we will now go into the history of Java. When was Java developed? Java was developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystem in mid 1990s, but was released in 1995. Secondly owned by Oracle Corporations, and who is a steward and now developer of Java for the further parts. Now, why Java is popular? Java, because of its large community support, Java has very large community support and has rich APIs, application programming interfaces, which comes into various useful features, and strong memory management. It has very strong memory management and backward compatibility. New versions and new features are always developed for Java, which makes it widely used. Now extensive libraries is also provided for extensive library, that is, it is ready to use classes and methods, and frameworks also. Java code, we do not need to write each and every Java code. Once already present, the inbuilt codes, they can be used, and very easily our new codes can be developed based on them. It's secure and robust. It's provided for security. It's secure. No one can intervene in a Java code, and robust. It has very high and capable memory management systems. Now, coming to the real world uses of Java. In every day we are using Java, so this comes to the real world uses of Java. Now for the web applications, Java is widely used to build scalable and secure web apps using frameworks such as Spring, which is a powerful framework of Java, and servers with faces, which complies in the compartment build UI framework, component build UI framework, servlet, and JSPs, which provide core technologies for building and developing Java Dynamic Wave. Dynamic means interactive wave. For application development also, we use them for various applications, like for the applications used in phones, and applications like we are using our everyday tasks for various applications. Our remote is also an application. We are using it, so Java can also be applied there. Java apps basically developed on graphical user interface. Java was the original language for Android development. Yeah, for Android development we can use Java, but Kotlin is now preferred. Why? Due to some reasons, Kotlin is now preferred. Now enterprise applications. Java powers many enterprise level systems using Java EE, Jakarta EE, which is a set of applications and APIs for building enterprise and level of applications in Java. Now coming to the desktop GUIs applications, Java is also used there. Java as Java FX, Swing. These are the things used for building Java graphical user interface, making Java more usable in different platforms. Cloud-based, now Java serves just for cloud-based applications. Java is used to build and amplify microservices in the cloud using Spring Boot, which is Docker, with Docker and Kubernetes. Integration with AWS and Azure and Google Cloud. It finds more usability with integration with AWS, Azure and Google Cloud. Big data analytics. Java can be used for big data analytics as well. Java has Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark. These are the frameworks of Java. Now coming to the game development. Yeah, we can also use Java in game development because of its various features. Though C++ was earlier used, now Java came in the main form, and Minecraft and is famously written in Java. We can find that Minecraft is also famously written in Java. Now in financial services also Java finds its use. Java, which is the backbone of this system now. Online banking platforms and risk management tools are very easily and compatibly made in these platforms. Embedded systems and IoT, Java Micro Editions is used for programming embedded devices, uh, smart cards, and IoT systems. Mobile apps also find Android development, especially for development, and Android software development kit includes exclusive Java APIs and libraries. Now coming to the banking system, Java has now intervened in the banking system users also because of its high security and its high graphical user interface. Not because of graphical user interface, because it makes things compatible for users to very easily look and go through them. That's why. Now moving on to the banking systems for ATM services, ATM software. ATM software uses Java. Why? Because it gives them higher security. The fraud detection systems, which also find uses of Java in that place. Now coming to the desktop applications for graphical user interface, we learned that graphical user interface. So desktop is a graphical things, and desktop applications can also be a graphical. So Java can intervene there. Now in insurance applications, Java can be very well intervened into insurance applications, as because of policy management systems it goes to different policy management systems, claiming processing applications and customer relationship management, automated underwriting systems. Because of its object oriented models and what it is like policies and customers and claims, various applications can be very easily intervened and manipulated by Java. It integrates easily in legacy systems and databases. It has wide variety of databases and large database. Scalable frameworks. It has very big frameworks, and large number of frameworks are there, like Springs and Hiberners, which finally intervene into these applications. Now government applications also. Java has find its positions in government applications also because of its security and other high level performing applications like e-government portals, ID management systems, law, etc. Because open standards and open sources tools are very easily useful tools which are coming into world nowadays and are easily available to Java platforms. And Java is interdependence. One application can be very easily interdependent on other, and is platform independent too. That makes its use widely and preferable by the systems. Proven it has reliability and scalability. So making it reliable and scalable for different apps and performance. It is widely used here also. Now technology commonly used in enterprise Java apps like JEE, Java EE, or Java EE slash Jakarta, which is the set of applications and APIs for building various enterprises. and Java Spring Framework, Java Spring Framework, which is a Spring MVC, Spring Tool, Spring Boot tool, and now coming to the Hibernate, which is also very much widely used for its security. Java is so very much intervene into the systems. Now embedded systems, like in embedded systems, which says that in every day you have something which has security, which finds its usefulness in everyday life, like smart cards. In smart card you have to allow Java applications, as these applications can be very easily used, and because of its security they can find its best uses there. Now coming to the sponsors and IoT applications, Java ME micro editions and embedded Javas provide a lightweight runtime for small devices. So now Java's portability allows to the same code to run on other devices too. Yeah, so that's why Java is very pushable, and because of JVM. Now coming to the benefits of Java in embedded system, its benefit intervened into the Java embedded systems because of its all these features, its OOPS security features and multi-threading and all. Once Java code once written can be run anywhere due to the JVM platform, which provides its wider usability and variability and readability to the different systems. Now Java is also reaching API, application programming interfaces, making its networking and cryptography, strong communications and everything very much easily available. So Java is used to build desktop applications and even some games, especially where cross-platform compatibility and rapid developments are priorities. To the most common Java UI frameworks for this purpose, JavaFX and Swing are in use now. Java achieve this by providing object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming means everything in Java is related to object, which has everything in Java. Each object has its own state and state behavior, and combining these objects, we can come up to the classes, which serve as the main purposes. Now, object-oriented. Coming to the object-oriented, it has four pillars, which are basically used in Java. Encapsulations, that is the wrapping up of data and all the system, wrapping of data and code. Data hiding is uses in using classes and access modifiers, which this helps in data hiding and using classes. This helps, and inheritance, which provides the reusability of the code by inheriting one features of the other class or many classes into the other class. Polymorphism, one interface or implementations. One interface means one interface can be polymerized into different forms and can be very easily and widely used. Abstractions, hiding implements, providing security, hiding implementations and hiding implementation. These actually, here we hide the main forms of the classes without showing the essential part. Here we hide the application form and show only the application part. Now coming to the platform independent in Java virtual machines. Java virtual machines, it provides the security and robust, means its memory management. Java provides for security because of this multi-threading and all. Java cannot be, one can use Java one code, but because of Java memory management and bytecode verifications and security manager and sandbox, Java has very high security and one cannot intervene into Java and other codes. Now robust, it has strong memory management. Its memory is very usefully and very largely managed with automatic garbage collections. It has very high garbage collections. Now multi-threadable and portable. It has multiple threads. Threads means execution of lower program, that is a thread, and multi-thread means Java provide multi-threading. Java supports multi-threading at the language level. And portable, one Java code can be written, and due to this JVM it can be ported to different platforms. High performance, that is JIT, Java in just in time. Once code is compiled, it is just made to run on different platforms in just a blink of eye. In distributed computer computing systems, SMI, remote RMI, remote method invocations allows objects in different JVM to communicate. EJB, Enterprise Java Beans. It is a part of Java EE used for building secure and transactional enterprise applications. Now reach standard library. Java also provides for libraries, which is a collections of different datas and different files. With comprehensive, which comes different set of libraries and files, which is collection of different files and libraries, which makes our programs much and more easy. And it has automatic memory management system. Java runtime environment in Java runtime environment includes, we have different garbage collections, which suppose we are running a programs, we have number of things which are in that program. So one or the other to come into in the phase, you have to remove the other phase so as to provide the fast and secure program. So it has includes very high garbage collections, and which helps in memory management also. It is efficiently managed here and reduces the choices of memory task leakage, and various leakages in the memories are also managed. Oh, thanks.